In this video, we'll look at the People page on Naxos Music Library. This is a great way to delve into the rich content of the library and discover new recordings. Clicking on the People link in the navigation will first show you an alphabetical list of composers. You can navigate using the A to Z list at the top. But you can also search for any name in the library by entering the text in this box. Let's search for Wagner. And then click on Richard Wagner here. This will bring up a page about the composer with biographical information, and then at the bottom a list of works and albums. You can navigate using the letters at the top. Clicking on any work will bring up work details and a list of recordings of that work. This work list is an incredibly valuable tool that allows you to compare recordings and interpretations. You can also filter these results by category. Let's select opera. And then you see the Fliegende Holländer here. Finally, you can view all albums by the composer by clicking View by Album. Back on the main People page, if you switch to Artists at the top, you'll have that same functionality, but for each performer. Here, clicking an artist will bring an introduction followed by a discography. Searching using the box will also bring fast results. Let's try Slatkin. Then click on Leonard Slatkin. In this view, you also have quick links on the left-hand side giving you a shortcut to the various categories. This is especially valuable when browsing artists with large catalogues.